Hello, good day. A customer just brought an M1 MacBook Pro with the problem that he has forgotten the password and then cannot log into the machine. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to reset a MacBook password in case you forget it. Okay, now I have an 11-in-1 USB hub, yeah, that I'm going to use. Okay, but if you don't have a hub, you can still use Wi-Fi. Okay, yeah, we will use the internet to deactivate the Mac. Okay, so that we can continue resetting the password. Okay, all right, so let me just set it up and then we'll do it. All right, so the customer said the password was 1234. Now when I type 1234 and then press enter, you realize that it says no. Okay, now let me try something else. Let me try 0987 and then press enter. It still says no. Okay, so this is what we do. I'm going to press and hold the power button till it goes off. So I'm going to press and hold till it goes off. Okay, yeah, so now it's off. Okay, now this is what you do. Now you have to press the power button, remove your finger, and then you press hold again. So look at my finger. So I'm gonna press and I'm going to press and hold. Now you see continue holding for startup options. I am still holding. Now when you see loading startup options, then you remove your finger. Okay, so I have removed my finger. All right, so I will wait for it to load. All right, good. Now when you see these options, then you choose options, then you click on continue. Okay, so you wait till it loads. All right, now when it loads, you see something like this. Okay, now I would need you to go up here and then click on utilities and then you choose terminal. Okay, good. Now when you open the terminal, then you type reset password. Okay, so watch, reset password all together. There shouldn't be a space between reset password. Okay, so yeah, then you choose or you press enter. It says command not found. I think I made a mistake, so I typed rest pass. It should be reset password. Okay, so let me zoom in. Password, then press enter. Now it will give me this. Now when you see this, choose deactivate Mac. Okay, an internet connection will be required to reactivate your Mac. Okay, I don't want to go into any stress by typing in Wi-Fi passwords. Okay, so I have my USB hub here. Okay, I'm going to connect the network cable and then I'll connect the USB hub to the Mac. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm going to do. All right, so I have connected the network cable. Now let me just connect it to the Mac. Okay, let me just put it back here. Yeah, ouch. Let me just go to back here. Yeah, and then I will insert the USB hub. Okay. Alright, so the USB hub is inserted. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna do is to click on deactivate Mac. If you want to connect using Wi-Fi, you can just click here and then you select the Wi-Fi. Alright, so I'll choose deactivate Mac, and then are you sure you want to deactivate this Mac? I'll choose deactivate, so it will load. So I'll wait. It should give me a prompt and then allow me to create a new password. Okay, so let me wait. Good. So it says new password, so I'm gonna type 1234 and then verify. 1234. Yeah, so I'll choose next. Okay, so I'll wait while it loads. Okay, so it says user account password has been reset. You may restart and log in using your new password. So in this case, I'm going to choose exit, and then I'll go up here, click here, and then choose restart. Okay, so now I'll wait till it restarts, then I'll input the new password. That's 1234. Alright, so yeah. Good. So I'm gonna type 1234. So 1234, and then I'll press enter. Alright, so now you see that I've been able to log in successfully into my Mac. So about Mac, so it's an Apple M1 MacBook Pro 2020. Yeah, currently has macOS Sonoma. Yeah, so says the Sequoia, we're gonna have to do an upgrade. Yeah, so we've been able to successfully reset the password of a MacBook Pro M1. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. See you later. Bye.